Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, brothers, sisters. Today we are here at the Basha restaurant, one of the Restroom restaurant location, city of Sacramento, one of the very famous, popular 5-star restaurant. We go inside and we try food today there, review their food and going to the kitchen. Let's go to inside. So now we go to the cashier talking about the food. How you doing?
Hi, welcome.
Thank you so much. We are here to review halal food here.
Okay.
What's the famous food here?
All right, so we have a menu right here.
Awesome.
One of our main ones to go to is our Basha mixed grill. You kind of get a variety. You get rice, salad, hummus, and your choice of skewers.
Okay.
With grilled veggies. Our lunch menu is really good. Our pizza, we have a falafel sandwich, the yaba steak, a bunch of different salad choices for vegetarians.
Awesome.
It's great food. You get great bread while you wait.
Definitely. The halal meat, chicken, everything is halal.
It is, yes.
Awesome. That's amazing.
What are we looking for, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Now we choose two different foods. Then we go to kitchen. We cook together. Stay with us to end of this video. Thank you. Mr. Jacob, the chef of the Jerusalem restaurant here, and he told me about yourself and he told me about the experience and amazing halal food city of Sacramento.
Originally from Louisiana. I love this food.
Awesome.
I always wanted to learn how to cook different food. Great people. You know, you want to eat healthy sometime. You know, you want to experience the different world.
Okay.
Instead of just the same. You know.
Yes.
I love what I do.
Okay.
You know, you gotta just be prepared for everything.
Okay.
And make sure that like you understand the food. You don't want to mess up nobody's appetite.
Right.
You know, you want everybody to love and understand what they're eating and feel what they're eating.
Yeah.
You know, it's a heartful feel when you.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's why I'm walking. That's why I'm driving hours for this kind of. Yeah.
This is food that you want to love and bring your family and really visualize something different, you know, and understand that you can try something different and it's some good food, like it really is. It is.
So what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is the lamb and the beef.
Lamb, the beef,
yeah. As long as you keep your 3 precises,
okay.
3 bottles of water,
okay.
Keep flipping it.
Okay.
A lot of people like it medium. You know, it stays fresh.
Yes.
You know, you don't want to make it hard. You don't want to make it overcooked.
Right.
You just want it fresh. You know, when you sit down, eat it, you're going to enjoy it, you know?
Which kind of rice is it?
This is a long grain rice that we put with turmeric.
Okay.
Make it a color, you know.
Right.
Something that's healthy, not starch or, you know, something that's right.
Right. Wow. Wow. Look at this.
Thank you for coming to Basha. I'll be making you 3 different dishes. I'll be making you lamb chops with a side. I'll be making you sandwich fatouche, and I'll be making you kofta bechinjan. Bread, lamb chops, everything that's frozen.
Awesome.
Everything our package.
Awesome.
This is the fish. detail.
Wow, look at this.
So you want to grab your bottle again, come like this. If you want to, you could just go around your fist like that,
Okay.
just to give it a pre-cook. You know, me, I'm so used to it. You want to make sure everything is precise. You know,
Okay.
you don't want to mess up that, because if they bring your order back, you got to make it over. You know, so
Right.
you want to make sure that the person that's eating your food, you just want them to just be like, man, that chef is great. You know, you want all good vibes.
Yeah,
you don't
right.
want a bad vibe from a customer.
Yeah.
Because once you get one bad vibe from a customer, it's like mixing friends together. You know, when you go out and just, it's not your cup of tea.
That's why I drive a couple hours to come here.
It's not your cup of tea.
Yeah.
So, but your fish is going.
Oh, look at the juicy. Look at sizzling. Whatever you decided, I want to test it.
Yes, sir.
That's your experience today. Yeah. I'm not gonna tell him to make well done or medium anything. Whatever he cook for me, I gonna tell you how does it taste. Look at this. Wow.
Try it.
I don't know what was crunchy here. What was that?
Oh, that's bread.
That's bread.
Yeah, I just made fresh bread. I just cut him.
Okay.
Him right here.
Okay.
You can turn around.
Okay.
Him. I get him to cut him firm, fine.
Okay.
Fresh bread, no artificial. Everything is real.
Wow.
You know. Once it gets like this,
Yeah.
you can know your fish is ready.
Okay.
You can flip it on this side.
Thanks for secret.
Fish is ready.
Yeah. Jacob, thanks for amazing job. Very beautiful decoration. I ever seen this kind of amazing, fast, and thanks for working in Halal Kitchen restaurant. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, and I appreciate you doing this.
Thank you, sir.
And I hope you enjoy your food. You have had a wonderful experience, and be blessed.
Salam alaikum.
Salaikum salam.
Our food is ready. Now I go to the restroom, wash my hand, and also review the restroom, what's going on. Okay.
This particular dish is actually probably one of our most traditional dishes that we have.
Okay.
Something that, like I said, that you would probably not find in any restaurants or any Middle Eastern restaurants. And,
Okay.
and I'm gonna say honestly, in the United States, a lot of people don't do this. This is a specialty dish. Something that you would find normally in a home of any Palestinian family that would usually serve this to
So
their
basically,
guests.
this dish particular belongs to Palestinian family.
Yes, this is a very cultural Palestinian dish that we have.
Wow.
It's probably one of our most traditional dishes in the restaurant, which is like I said, Jaj al-Faham.
Jaj al-Faham.
And also the bread with the onions,
Right.
and the sumac onions with smothered in olive oil, is called musakhan.
Musakhan, yeah.
Yeah, musakhan, yeah.
Musakhan, okay.
And then the actual bread that it sits on, which is basically our very traditional bread. It's homemade, fresh. It's made fresh daily, and we call it khubz taboon. It's a very old traditional recipe from back home. Something that my grandmother and her mother and everybody else has done
Generation to generation.
generation to generation. So this bread is, you know, it's pretty popular, and it's not easy to make, but we like to serve it.
Awesome, awesome. So, it's really delicious. It's amazing, tasty, juicy, especially when chicken mixed with the onion. It's make so delicious. Let's try fish. Yeah, wow.
So we call that the Sultan Basha.
Sultan Basha.
Yeah, Sultan Basha.
Wow.
So basically, you know, Basha's king, basically. You know, the
Yeah,
fish.
Sultan is king.
Sultan means
Yeah,
king. So
king, yeah.
This is the king of our, you know, the fish here. It's I believe this one is our Mediterranean sea bass.
Oh my God! Look at this.
Yeah, it's our Mediterranean sea bass, and they call it the bronzini.
Bronzini, yeah.
And we actually slow grill it and to perfection. The meat is very, very juicy.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. When I was in travel in Turkish Istanbul, there was a guy take out fish from a river and cook for me. This fish tastes exactly like that. It's so delicious. Thanks for
Anytime,
delicious food.
anytime, brother.
Yes, I want to eat with my hand because
That's the most
that's
traditional way. Of
yeah,
eating.
yeah.
We're open 7 days a week.
So, okay.
Yeah, 7 days a week. Monday through Thursday from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. And on the weekends we're open from 11 to 9.
Awesome. So now tell me about this Halal Food.
The lamb, I got somebody that come in at like 2 o'clock.
Awesome. Do you recommend try with the sauce?
Yes,
Like
yes, yes, yes.
Let's try the lamb. That's amazing. It's juicy, tender, kind of smoky.
Yeah.
Wow, I love it. I to be honest. Wow. Let's try some rice.
Fresh white rice with a glaze of yellow turmeric, like, you know, just to give it a little color to it, with a little basil on top, you know.
Yeah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Rice always fresh.
Rice on this bread.
Always fresh.
Yeah, try every time. Mushroom. I love barbecue mushroom. Wow. Tomato. Barbecue tomato. Wow. Juicy. Well done. It's really good. Now, time for chicken.
This is oven baked chicken with a twist of on the grill. Chicken Bedajan, marinated in all kind of marinades from their country
Okay.
and ours as well. The onion, the sumac,
Okay.
you know, it's all one family recipe, you know.
Okay.
It's all good.
Awesome. So let's try the chicken.
Yeah, you
Try
know,
with the hand.
yeah.
That way, I wash my hand. Again, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's try chicken with onion.
You gotta love it. You gotta love
The chicken is very juicy. Onion with the stomach, that's really good. I want to try with the bread.
That's what's gonna take your whole.
Yeah. So now my brother here, owner of this restaurant, sit together. So tell me about this sauce.
So you're eating. Okay, that's the one I serve with the fish, which is something that my grandmother used to make. It's made with garlic, parsley, and lemon juice, and it's just something that she served with with all the fish, any fish that she's ever made at home.
Wow.
So this is like a traditional sauce that we make at home, and then the white sauce that's next to it, which is the other one, it's a sauce that I created. I can't tell you the secrets.
I got you.
We'll have to kill you.
Yeah. So basically, the halal sauce, they are making their own sauce, own recipe. They are not getting a sauce from outside for shopping. Yeah.
Not a pre-made sauce.
Yeah. Yeah. I want to try this bread with the rice together.
You know, what I want you to do is let me get you a fresh bread. Have it come out, and then you can chew that. Let me get that for you.
Okay. Very good hosting, very welcoming, and he tried to not use this bread. He tried to bring another different Arabic bread to eat with the rice. Look at the bread. It's amazing. Very hot. Now I want to try rice with bread and put a little bit lamb chop on the top of the rice. Wow, guys, it's amazing, so delicious. Make sure when you're done your food, the last time mix together. Let's try this one. Put a little bit of fish on top of this, and that's amazing. So the halal food is so delicious. The kitchen is very clean. They're very professional. I definitely recommend you guys, if you travel in Sacramento or you live in Sacramento, come visit Basha Taste Jerusalem.
No, I just want to thank you for coming in, and I appreciate you trying out the food, and hopefully we'll see you guys soon after this beautiful review here by our Halal Food critic.
Yeah.
And inshallah we'll see you guys in Sacramento anytime you come through.
Thank you so much. Thanks for everything, brother.
Anytime.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
So the Basha restaurant was a very good and very good hosting, very good welcoming. Honor the chef, the hosting. It was all amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, share with your friend, family, Muslim community. Have a great time. Ya Allah. Assalamu alaikum.